Hello my fellow crafters, it's Terry from Veegstez Creates, and today I am bringing you a video tutorial using the brand new Mom Teapot die set from iCrafter. So this is one of the dies that Laurie Whitlock has created for iCrafter, and it's a really fun and unique set. So obviously we've got this really nice large teapot here. And just to give you an idea of scale, this is a 6-inch square card. So what I did initially is to choose my colour palette, which you can see displayed here, and then I went ahead and cut out, so basically you've got lots of little dies here to form flowers, and then you can layer them up in different ways. So I chose my colour palette. I cut out the flowers in different colours, and then I cut out these lovely cluster of leaves in 2 different colour greens. I used some gorgeous backing paper, and again another lovely, that just says mom to me, to be honest, like beautiful florals. My mum really likes flowers, so I think this would make an absolutely gorgeous Mother's Day card. So I think that's what I'm going to be using it for myself, to be honest. Obviously it'd also make a really great birthday card, or any kind of card really, depending on the sentiment, for anyone that likes a nice cup of tea. So what I'm going to do now, obviously I've cut everything out, so I'm going to now assemble the card. So you'll see me playing about with different positions and things. I'm going to speed that portion of assembly up so that the video is a nice quick watch for you, and then I'll see you back with the finished card. So let's dive in. So here we go, my crafty friends, the completed card. I'm really pleased with the way that this has turned out. It's so lovely and dimensional. You can see I used a thick piece of white card to give a slight drop shadow to the teapot, and then used foam pads on it so that it would rise up. I then stuck pretty much all of the flowers down flat, but just had one raising up. And then I've used some of my new favourite little discovery, some Trinity Stamps little embellishments. These are the bubble blowout mix. I just love these little gems. They seem to go with absolutely everything. Being clear and iridescent, and they're quite subtle in this. They just give a nice subtle effect, and I think with these ones here I was going for the effect of like steam coming out of the teapot, even though it's full of flowers, so it wouldn't have, but never mind. So I really hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. I'd love to know any comments and feedback that you've got, so just feel free to ask any questions or leave any comments in the description box below. And this has launched today over on iCrafter, so if you would like to pick one up for yourself, the link directly to the product on iCrafter will be in the description box below. So yeah, I will actually be doing another project with the same die set in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed and you want to see what else I can create with this, you might want to hit the subscribe button. But anyway, I'll see and speak to you soon with some more crafty goodness. Bye for now.